Hey everyone, Ben Belack here with your 3-minute real estate recap for Q1 2022 versus Q4 2021. Today we'll be reviewing housing market data for the city of Beverly Hills. Quick side note, I'm going to break down housing market data in the city of Beverly Hills and not Beverly Hills Post Office. If you don't know the distinction between the two, email me and we can dive right in. In Q1 of 2022, we saw 76 new single-family home listings hit the market in Beverly Hills, which was a 55% increase from the quarter before. We saw 43 new escrows open versus the 53 of Q4 2021, an 18% decrease, and we had 48 homes close, the same as the quarter before. The median sales price jumped up 20%, coming in at $9 million, and the average price per square foot dropped 12.26% to $1,821 per square. Now, as I predicted in my 2022 Beverly Hills Outlook, the Los Angeles real estate market is still relatively hot as we come to the end of Q1. But the first interest rate hike the Fed promised for March has seemed to cool things a bit in the trenches. That said, we still have an anemic level of home supply for now. So what does this all mean if you're a home buyer or seller shopping in Beverly Hills? Well, if you're a seller, price per square foot is very strong and homes are selling for approximately their asking price. And historically, 6 months worth of inventory is categorized as a buyer's market. And right now, there's only about 2.5 months supply worth of inventory. And for the buyers, there is light at the end of the tunnel. We're seeing more and more homes come to market citywide. And with interest rates still at historic lows, you have maximum purchasing power to get your dream home or trade up. I do think now is the time we have to start paying attention to the Treasury yield curve, particularly of the 10-year and 2-year spread for bonds. If it starts to invert or shows signs of that, headlines will be filled with the word recession. Just be careful believing what you read about on the national housing market or what you're hearing at social gatherings. Los Angeles is sprawling and has a mountain range running through it. Each micro market has its own characteristics, own demographics, and factors affecting pricing and ultimately sales. So if you've been thinking of buying or selling real estate in Beverly Hills or the greater Los Angeles area, we'd love to sit down with you and have a strategic planning session to help you navigate not only the challenges, but also identify the opportunities that we're seeing in today's market. Every week, we release new videos with relevant real estate topics, real estate market updates, and home tours. If you want to see more market analyses like these, be sure to subscribe. And again, if you're looking to buy or sell in the Los Angeles area, you can always find us via the links below.